मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा.
Hi Ira, happy quarantine birthday to you. Hope you have an amazing day and manage to find something productive other than studies, of course. But most importantly, stay safe and wishing you all the success and happiness. Cheers. See you soon. Bye.
Hey guys, I'm going to be dividing this video into two parts. The first part where I'll be talking about how super organized Ira is, and in the second part I'll be wishing her. So coming to the first part, Ira, you're super organized and I hope everything is going on a schedule and you're not exceeding your break time or anything. And coming to the second part, well, happy birthday.
दिल ही छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल ही छोटा सा छोटी सी
Ira,
आशा.
happy birthday. Have an amazing day ahead. I love you a lot. The thing that I miss the most is all those times when we bunked Alpha College and we went to Marine Drive, and all those times when we used to dance in my room to loud ass music. I'm looking forward to do that again. And I know it's quarantine, but I know you will have a great day. And love you a lot. Bye. Best wishes.
Hi, I was asked to say something embarrassing about you, but honestly, I don't know any. So, do some dumb stuff next year so I can probably send it next time on your birthday. And have a great birthday. Happy birthday, Ira.
महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया.
हेलो 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 पहचान कौन पहचान I am going to sing a song for you. Listen to me carefully. Okay. Happy birthday to happy birthday to happy birthday to happy birthday. आपका बर्थडे टू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू फुल ऑन पार्टी टू. अब सुनो मेरी बात. नीट के वीडियोस टू भेजा बंद करो टू. हमने नीट टू दे दिया. चेहरे पे तुम्हारे टू ये जो मुस्कान है टू हमेशा टू बनी रहे. यही मेरी दुआ है टू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday to the girl who has a level of chill I've never seen before. Happy birthday to the one who arranged for my prom dress and saved me from a huge heart attack, and I can't even tell you. Happy birthday, Ira. I hope you have an amazing birthday, even though the lockdown is shit and this isolation is getting to us. And we have an exam tomorrow, though I don't know why I'm reminding you. But I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you when I get back.
Yes, we have been friends since 7 years and I have never missed any of your birthday, but thanks to COVID that broke our tradition. But we'll soon celebrate your birthday after this corona or lockdown. And happy 19th birthday, Ira. I hope you get all the happiness you deserve in the world and I'm so proud of you. And I can't wait until you become a doctor and I brag about it. And I hope your day is great, and I love you, I miss you, and have a great birthday. Bye.
Hi Ira, wish you a very happy birthday. Always be a rocking cool dude. तू जब भी डीटे पे आती ना, पता नहीं क्या मस्ती सुस्ती सबको सब तेरी उड़ाते. एंड ज़्यादा रोना मत, तू बैच ए में ही रहेगी. एंड हमेशा हंसते रहना, मुस्कुराते रहना एंड एंजॉय डे.
Hey guys, I'm Devanshi, and today I'm going to talk about how Ira Sethi is actually a grandma fooling all of us dressed up as a 19-year-old. So, reason number one, sorry, this is catchy. Now, if you're someone who's close to Ira and you're not Tanmay, then you know very well how these two always bicker all the time, fighting like cats. They act like they've been married for the last 30-40 years. Tired of each other's farts. Tanmay, I think the only thing missing in the equation is you having a bald patch and wearing stupid suspenders. Mira probably missing some teeth. I know I sound sadistic, but I'm the loner here. Anyway, reason number two, I should stop this. Now, calling Ira, I'm sorry. Calling Ira bluffcard is an understatement. Ira has amnesia. Ira has straight up amnesia. Whenever college starts again, if college starts again, I'll have to be Ira's walking stick for at least 6 months so she knows how to reach college without taking a million detours. I can bet on this, she still has no idea which way the physiology department is. I'm not kidding. And reason number 3. Now this one doesn't need any explanation. I suck at video editing, so I'll just show you guys. Hi Ira. Chachi ji. You know, no matter what your age is, I still love you. Happy birthday. Oh, you have prelims tomorrow.
जगमगाती लड़कियां, ये झिलमिलाती लड़कियां, जिनके दीवाने तुम भी तो हो. हंसती गाती लड़कियां, ये खिलखिलाती लड़कियां, चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो. इन सब के है मन, इनकी धड़कन, सुनो जरा सपने क्या है इन आँखों में, दिल में है क्या अरमान.
ईरा मेरे दोस्त, ब्रेड को करते हैं टोस्ट. वेलकम टू योर रोस्ट.
Who's Ira?
आज है ईरा का बर्थडे हैप्पी वाला. दिन रात जपती है MBBS की माला.
वाह 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 वाह. आँख को कहते हैं काला, इसको लॉलीपॉप में किसने डाला?
Roses are red. The world is messy. Ira है number 1 भैंसी.
Twinkle twinkle little star. ईरा है बहुत बेकार.
ये तो सच है.
लाल होती है रोजेस, ब्लू होता है स्काई. ईरा का फेक एक्सेंट बड़ा हर्षा.
English speaking not a children play.
इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग लाइक ए अंडरटेकर प्ले।
हीरा को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे चाइना का माल, जैसे बुड्ढी के बाल, जैसे कुछ तो है गोलमाल।
Hira, you look like this, Hira. I really hope you like Jaljeera because not a lot of words rhyme with Hira. But you got our aankhon ka Hira.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Hira.
Girls like to swing. जरा आगे निकल के नए रंगों में ढल के अंदाज बदल के मस्ती में है जीना जीवन रस पीना ये बात हुई ना।
Hey guys, I'm Ira and I'm a first year medical student in CHS Medical College, Mumbai. And in this video, I'm gonna share some thoughts and tips on how I made a 100-mark leap in 1 month before NEET. So this is 100 mark. I'm gonna keep the 100 mark here and then I'm gonna make a leap like this. That's how it's done, guys. And yeah, happy birthday.
Hey Ira, happy birthday to you. May God bless you and complete all your wishes. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hey guys, what's up? Hi Ira. Oh, I have a Kit Kat. Wanna have? What? We have Kit Kats? Are you please good to give now? You are the best. Okay. Oh, oops. You're on a diet, right? You can't have one. I can cheat my diet for Kit Kats. Please, yeah. Kit Kats are not included in the diet. Please. Okay, have it. Oh, sorry. Forgot. Today's your birthday, right? Happiest birthday, Ira. For your birthday, I have special. I have 3 Kit Kats for you, okay? Happiest birthday, Ira. Please give me a makeover, okay? I'm waiting for it. Maybe we go for shopping together, right? Love you, miss you, bye.
हर घड़ी जश्न हो गीतों की बरसात हो गाए पल पल ये जिंदगी पिघले पिघले तन बदन खोया खोया सा हो ये मन छाए छाए हो दिलकशी।
देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है। All hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All the cool boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti
you a very, very, very happy birthday. And now, like everyone, I'm not going to say God bless you, because you're already so much blessed with friends like us. And I'm missing you a damn lot. I'm missing the way I used to tease you at a DT all the time. And believe me, you are such a great and cute person. And I'm literally very lucky that I've got a friend like you. You are a combo of everything. You are a good friend, and you are a good person too. I hope this corona will get over soon, so that we can chill out and we can do that masti once again. And yep, one more thing, don't you dare to think that this corona will save your birthday ki party ka kharcha, okay? Whenever we will meet, we want your birthday party, okay? So enjoy your birthday to the fullest, have fun, and I love you, I miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ira.
Happiest birthday, Ira. Wish you fabulous grades, attendance, relationships, and health. Stay your happy, charming, and confident self always. Never stop believing in yourself. I wish to know you better in the coming year. Happy birthday once again.
जब सांस है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो झगड़े दुनिया झगड़ने भी दो